Users can access Business Central data from their mobile devices, and you can navigate through all of the business data. You can use features such as the Excel or Office 365 integration, as well as view up-to-date charts and KPIs, email sales quotes and invoices. In this scenario, we'll show you how to enter in a sales order from a mobile device, post the sales order, send it to the customer, and then view the customer balance. So here you see the experience within the mobile device. Again, all live and fully synchronized to my web application. To enter in a sales quote, you hit the ellipsis. You'll see a list of items such as enter sales quote. We'll select the sales order. And then I'll select my customer name, which is going to be Adatum Corporation. And it enters in my contact information. I can swipe up to get further down onto the form, and then I'll add my line items. And this customer is going to order a conference table. They'll order one conference table, so I'll hit the plus sign, and it gives me the line item list now, and I'll go choose that out. I'll select Antwerp conference table. I've got a quantity of 1, and I can return back to the sales form or the sales order. And then to post this document, I select the ellipsis, and I can either post or I'll select post and send. Do I want to send this PDF? That's yes. I'll ship an invoice, and then you'll notice the PDF is in the attachment here for ending in 215. I'll select send. And then to review that customer balance over on the left-hand side, the 3 lines, you can open up your customers, vendors, items, etc. I'll open up the customer, and you notice now that Adatum has a balance, and I could drill into that balance right here, and there's that sales order. So again, the purpose of that demo scene was just to show the high fidelity, the seamless experience in working within a mobile device and Business Central.